watching Channel 1. This is the cooking series from the garden. Good morning. We are at the garden and I'm preparing something for dessert. Guess what? It's crepe with raspberry toppings. But it's good, or it's best to prepare the raspberry toppings first. If you've seen our strawberry jam episode, the process is the same. But first, let's clean our raspberries. The process is the same, the proportions are the same, but for this one you need not overcook, or we need not mash or break the raspberries into pieces, because we'll be using them to garnish our crepe. I have here black corons that I can add to the mixture to give it some garnishing and extra flavor. Red dotted with black can be appealing to the eyes. I'll be adding sugar now. This is approximately, I think, 1/4 of a kilo. So this would be half cup. This requires half cup sugar. Let's soften it a bit, again to reduce cooking time. We don't have time to wait, so we might as well start cooking now. This should be quicker than the strawberry, because we want to retain the structure as much as possible, or the shape of the fruit, or of the berry to be exact. It's really hot in here. You know what, no matter how we want to retain the structure of the berry, it just broke down, look. So we can't help it, it's a jam. It would be crepe with raspberry jam toppings. I will have to prepare the crepe later. For the meantime, I'll prepare the main dish for lunch. It's stir-fried vegetables with chicken. For dessert, I'll be making a crepe with special toppings. Toppings which I just made. It is now I remember, raspberry jam. For this recipe, I'll be making for 4 people. So I have 2 eggs. We might need to adjust the quantities. Breast milk, butter, molten butter. So the first thing we do is to combine first the milk. I will be using here approximately 1 cup. I'll add more. I don't have my measuring cup here. That's why it's all approximation. 2 eggs. And 2 tablespoonfuls butter. molten butter. The more the better. What else? Sugar. All approximation. And just a dash of salt. Where's my salt? I can add that later, but we'll now add the flour gradually. Gradually. I don't even have a mixer, so I'm using this ladle. The difference between pancake and crepe is that for crepe there's less flour. Yeah. We don't have a whisker, so we're at the shed, so what do you expect? We don't have all the provisions of a kitchen, so we have to improvise. I think I should have sifted the flour first. I don't have a sift here. I'll be giving the proper proportions of the ingredients in the description box below, should you want to make this at home. I think it's approaching the consistency that we want. Something fell from the pergola. Okay, I think this is acceptable. It's not perfect. I mean, perfectly blended, but it's okay. It's tolerable. Wait, have I added sugar? I'll have to add some salt. Just a dash. It's a non-stick pan, but it's good to coat it with butter. This is much better than the first. The pan was not adequately hot, that's why. Yeah, first is same in life. Sometimes the first time is not perfect. It's a learning experience. This is a new series, silent cooking. No explications, no explanations, no stories. What do you want? Just a view of the cooking, or with some stories? Comment please.
It's plating time. There you have it, our crepe with raspberry toppings. Fresh from the garden and made at the garden. Join me again next time, either here at the garden or at our small kitchen, for more of our home cooking and gardening series. Don't forget to share and to like if you enjoyed this clip. And if you're new to this programming, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified for every new release. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romeo, and greetings from Holland. Until next time, Dios Tegbati.